Is it time to buy or sell Oracle stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Oracle. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Oracle as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.35. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.94%. This results in an average return of 0.74% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. If the stock breaks above the upper trend line at $177.95, this will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 19.92% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 5.01% to an increase of 20.99%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.86%. Based on our calculation, the stock's performance could range from a decrease of 25.33% to an increase of 19.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $131.70 and $210.06. Our latest daily update for Oracle includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Oracle Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Oracle stock price decreased by 0.62% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, moving from $177.48 to $176.38. During that trading, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.88%, ranging from a low of $176.23 to a high of $179.54. Notably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 7.65% over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, this occurred alongside falling prices, which could signal an early warning, suggesting that risks may slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 11 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.95 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $198.31, while the lowest was $118.86. Currently, the price stands 11.06% or $21.93 below the 52-week high of $198.31, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oracle's recent earnings report reveals significant positive momentum, with the company posting a remarkable fourth-quarter performance. Oracle delivered earnings of $1.70 per share, surpassing expectations by 6 cents, an impressive revenue of $15.09 billion, exceeding predictions of $15.59 billion. This marks a notable year-over-year increase from $1.63 per share, signaling robust growth in its business operations. Driving this surge are significant gains in cloud revenue and the growing demand for artificial intelligence solutions, which have fueled investor optimism. Following the announcement, Oracle's stock jumped by 8%, reflecting strong market confidence in the company's future trajectory. Moreover, Oracle's CEO has projected dramatically higher growth rates, which further enhances the company's attractiveness to both institutional and retail investors. A bullish outlook not only suggests potential for continued upward pressure on stock prices in the short term due to positive investor sentiment, but it also reinforces Oracle's position in the competitive cloud technology space, laying a solid foundation for sustained growth in the long term. In a market eager for names that can merge traditional tech strengths with innovative cloud solutions, Oracle's strong quarterly results bolster its reputation, likely leading to increased interest from investors and analysts alike. As the landscape for cloud computing continues to evolve, Oracle's advancements position it favorably, suggesting a positive trajectory for its stock price moving forward. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 9th of June 2025, it was reported that CIBC assigned Oracle a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital rated Oracle as outperform with a hold action. Also on that Monday, Jefferies gave Oracle a buy rating along with a hold action. Additionally, Morgan Stanley rated Oracle as positive, also with a hold action. Moving to Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, Stephens rated Oracle as positive with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Oracle stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Oracle. The Oracle stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels can be observed at $173.34 and $157.12. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near, short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 10, 2025, and thus far, the stock has experienced a decline of 0.62%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 35 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oracle. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $165.53 and $147.66. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as a break below this point could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Oracle's support is just below today's level at $165.53. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $147.66 and $139.69. This stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with a strong trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.31, or 1.88%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Oracle, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.64. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oracle. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Oracle is at $177.15. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Oracle faces its first support level at $165.53. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oracle from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On 2025-05-31, Parrott William G. conducted an insider buy of 2,986 shares of common stock. On 2025-05-31, Parrott William G. conducted an insider buy of 2,114 shares of restricted stock unit. On 2025-05-31, Parrott William G. conducted an insider sell of 2,986 shares of restricted stock unit. On 2025-05-31, Cheese and Bruce R. conducted an insider buy of 2,986 shares of common stock. On 2025-05-31, Cheese and Bruce R. conducted an insider buy of 2,114 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 30.904. Overall, insiders purchased 4,385,550 shares and sold 8,263,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $171.87, representing a decline of 2.56%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 84, significantly heightening the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Oracle stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Oracle stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, changing our recommendation from hold, accumulate to buy. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of June, we anticipate Oracle will open higher by $1 and begin trading at $177.38. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.